This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink an email address in a Microsoft Word document. I'll be using Word 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. Okay, I got Word opened up now, and I have an email address here that I want to hyperlink. And the way to do that, I'm going to highlight the entire email address. Then I'm going to go up to the Insert tab and click on that. Then I am going to go down to where it says Link here and click on that. Then I'm going to click on Insert Link. And then in this dialog box that opens up here, the little pane off to the left hand side here, I want to click on Email Address. And the email address that I'm going to hyperlink, it's going to be the same as what I have in my text here. I'm just going to paste it in there. And as you can see, it automatically changes to mail to : You want to make sure that's in there. But the text to display, I don't want it to have the mail to : I'm going to take that out of there. Then I'm going to click on OK. Now when I hover my mouse over there, you can see the little box that appears that says mail to and my email address. If I was to hold down Control while I left click, as the instruction there reads, it will open my mail app with this email address already made out. That is how you hyperlink an email address in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.